Today I am taking again some different kind of trip. I'm taking my parents for a holiday. I did not spend holiday with my parents for whew, maybe 15 years, yeah. Probably last time when I was a teenager. So it's really exciting. They don't speak English or any other language, so it's kind of hard for them to go somewhere. So I'm really looking forward to show them some different country they never been before. So we are going to Antalya, Turkey, and I will show you everything like always. Stay tuned. So, landed in Antalya. It was really a long flight. I actually fly for very first time with Jet 2, and it was really good. Nice airplane with lots of space compared to Ryanair, for example. But we have lots of turbulence, yes. So, landing was hard as well. But anyway, we are here. I'm waiting for my parents. They should arrive soon from Vienna, and looking forward to this trip. They don't know where we are going. They know it's Antalya, Turkey, but they don't have any clue about hotels and accommodations. So it's a surprise for them. We are here outside of the airport and taking a tram to the Antalya city centrum. It's absolutely really easy. You will go off somewhere in this door and cross the road, take a stairs upstairs and take a tram to Antalya. So tram to Antalya is this T1A. So we are here in the airport and we are going here. It's actually super easy. You just need to your debit card or credit card, tap it here and it will let you in. Amazing. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So our first night here in Antalya and we are getting burgers. Yeah, we know it's not like typical Turkish food, but it is one of the best restaurants here in Antalya. Are in a waterfall in Antalya. It's outside of Antalya. You can take a bus and come here, but I must admit it's overrated. Oh yeah, it's definitely not those pictures from Instagram. I will show you reality. Yeah, so this is actually reality of this place. I was actually really excited, but yeah. So you probably know this spot from pictures on internet. It's nice. But lots of rubbish everywhere, guys, yeah. The entry ticket is 50 liras, which is around £1.50. Like, it's not expensive, I'm not saying that, but I did not expect that much rubbish here in water. It looks like a cave here. You need to watch your head. Oh yeah, you have some nice spot to see waterfall here as well. And it's really slippery, guys, so be careful when you come here. Here, one more spot. Oh. Oh yeah, check it here. Oh. I'm going to check other side as well. You can actually see example here how all this rubbish is getting to the water. Yeah, empty plastic bottle. And there is another one coming as well. Actually, I need to be really honest. Antalya itself is really clean. There is no rubbish on the street, etc. So I'm kind of surprised this is dirty. But yeah, you saw that. If people throw rubbish in the water, it will end up here. We are having a break. My dad is counting money. Yeah. So this is actually Turkish lira. 100, 250 and 20. They have really nice money. Yeah. It's nice. We are trying some Turkish special cheese, a sweet cheese. All these baklavas, check it. It looks delicious. Amazing. Here we have some helvasi. I have no idea. She told us it's like a semolina. So let's try it. It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. But we actually tried pistachio one. It was better. This one is nuts. And it's fine. Yeah. And we are still waiting for a cheese. Our baked cheese arrived. It's called konfe. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but it's some baked specialty with cheese. So we are going to try it. Check this cheese. It's delicious. We love it. Really good. We are trying another stuff, sweet stuff. They really love it. It's some Turkish delight and baklavas. And
Baklava is amazing.
yeah, it's really good. My dad he really liked this pistachio one. Delicious.